Hello guys, today we're gonna play with all these toys. But now with this, now with this. Okay, let's start first with Pikachu and with a rabbit. Hi, I wanna play with me? Okay. Wow, the dinosaur is coming! Just kill him already. Okay, now Tom. Okay, Tom. This is my face. It's a time. And the play. Okay. I like you. I like you. Pikachu. Mario. Ah! Pikachu. Okay, now Pikachu is gonna fly. Like an airplane. Gonna fly like an airplane. Stop. Stop yelling me. Okay, now we're gonna play the autumn dinosaur. First starter. Okay, now we're gonna play. I don't know why I had all these toys. Or is that thing? I cannot. Oh, really? Finally. Are you wanna fight me? You're never gonna fight me. You're never gonna fight me. I'm the strongest man in the world. He just stopped you. Oh my gosh. He's eating your head. Oh no. So look at the dinosaur. But the dinosaur is going back. And then Star-Lord is getting back him. And then dinosaur is getting back him. And then they get friends. Then they kiss. I don't know. Now Tom, come here. Come here, Tom. It's time your turn. Okay, no. It's not your turn. It's Spider-Man turn. Spider-Man, here we come. Are you ready, Spider-Man? Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! I love him. I love all these two toys. Okay, now we're gonna play with Tom, okay? Okay, let's play now with Tom. Okay, let me get him ready. Hi, my name is Toys and Games. Let's play. Hello. Hi. Sleep now. Sleep. It's time to sleep. You have to sleep. Sprinkles. Opa master. Yeah. Okay. My name is Zan. Bye.